Greetings from Newport, Rhode Island, and here is just a quick walk. We are right alongside of the water, and this block has a lot of personality and shops that you won't see elsewhere, including shirts that say, "I survived the cliff walk of Newport, Rhode Island." That being said, because part of the cliff walk is very rough terrain. Walking in Newport, you'll see a lot of historic houses. This plaque is almost everywhere in this neighborhood. This property has been placed on the National Register of Historic Places by the United States Department of the Interior. And they are well preserved, I might add. Now you can actually walk this block here. If you're coming in off the cruise ship terminals, just take it all the way down to the end, make a left. That's how you arrive at the Cliff Walk, Breaker's Mansion, and the 40 steps. Did them all, and I'll do them again. Got my Newport shirt on. Let's do a bit more of the walk. It is autumn season. Autumn in Newport, Rhode Island. This is an October 16th day, and surprisingly enough, it was a warm enough day to be at the beach. Lots of people have their pumpkins out on their front porch. They are not melting quite yet. Guess that means they have cooler evenings. Or they've just been carved.
I'm just doing my thing. I can't move my mouth.
All right, and that is a quick walk, an autumn walk through beautiful Newport, Rhode Island. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoying.